beach, they would lull me to sleep every night.
Welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. By the time you see this, I will be home from vacation. But right now, I am at the beach with the family. We are in Wildwood Crest, New Jersey. Voted one of the top 10 beaches in the state. We have perfect 10 weather. The ocean is like bathwater, right, Dawn?
Oh, yes it is.
And the kids are having a great time, and I don't know, I may never come home. But anyway, I wanted to just show you a few highlights of my vacation, and I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned. Bye.
Bye-bye. Here's where we stayed at the Adventurer Hotel, right on the beach. The end of that street is the beach and the ocean. We're up on the 5th floor. Right over here, there's a pool, heated pool. And here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4, right up on the 5th floor balcony. There's a little restaurant over there. It's a great place to stay. Perfect location. Here's the side of the hotel. Very pretty lounge area in there. All lit up at night. That's the other side. Here's a little lounge area. It's indoors, and it's right off of the pool. So you can either be outdoors, or you can come in and be indoors. There are several TVs in here. Just a really nice place to sit and relax. And the pool is right outside there. Pretty lounge chairs and little palm trees all around. Little kiddie pool there.
Baking Diva going for her afternoon stroll through Wildwood Beach, giving us the wave, and her beach cover-up, and her hat, and her sunglasses.
Here's a picture of my 4 grandsons. We like to take them every year down the beach. We put them in height order. We've got the oldest, Jake, and we've got Kyle. Hi, Kyle. We got Aaron, and we got Lucas. Are you having a good time, boys? All right, I'll see you later. Toodles! There's Kyle and Jake out there, the 2 older ones. They're having fun. Oh, and Aaron's running around. Whoa! There they go. They're riding the boogie board thing. Woo, there they go. Looks like they're in a big bubble bath. There's Lucas out there in the ocean with his dad, Scott. Yes, that's my son, Scott. Scott's teaching him how to float on his boogie board out of there and to ride those waves. We're having a good time.
go out there and show them because nobody else is right now. Lucas is having a ball. Here's 3 of my grandsons. The tall one's Jake, the middle one's Kyle, and the younger one is Aaron. Lucas is out in the ocean with his dad, and they're in that little mini lake that was made during low tide, and they are diving down. This is an interesting one, looking for crabs. That's so funny. Wait a minute. Yeah, look at that. Wow, all 3 of them. Whoa!
That's
Too funny. Woohoo! Nobody expected Jake to dive in. He scared Kyle. And look at Aaron down there. He's got the goggles. He's determined he's finding something. He said he saw a gigantic crab down there. He was afraid to pick it up with his hands, and he doesn't have a net. Go, Aaron! Look at him. Go, Aaron! Did you find anything, Aaron? Not yet? Okay. Here goes the 2 older boys. Woo! Everybody's having a great time. We were praying that we wouldn't have any rain, but boy, we got the opposite. We got a 4-day heat wave. Look at Aaron. He's still down there. Oh, there they go. Boys will be boys. Too funny. Crack me up. There's Aaron with his goggles. Oh, very funny. There's the boys. They're shocked because they put a crab in the bucket. Listen to them. And they said there's a fly in there eating the crab. There's a fly eating the crab?
No, my crab's eating Kyle's crab.
Oh my goodness. That's even worse. Aaron's crab is eating Kyle's crab. Well, I think Kyle's crab went to crab heaven. Here's Uncle Scott and the boys, fascinated as to what they found in that bucket. Oh, creepy crawlers. Creepy crawlers in there. Oh, Uncle Scott is explaining to them. Ooh, I don't know what he's explaining to them. Something about the crab. There's Lucas on his boogie board. Waiting for the big wave to come in. He's been practicing now. This is his 4th day. He's doing a good job. Oh, watch out, Lucas! It's low tide coming in now. Here comes Lucas! Woo! Oh, there we go. He's learned. Hi, boys! Hi, there's Jake, my oldest grandson, and Lucas, my youngest grandson, and Jake's going to take Lucas for a little spin around this little inlet. So funny. Oh, what a good grandson Jake is. He takes care of his cousin, pulls him all around. Hi! Hi, Lucas! Hi, Jake! Woo! So cute they are. Good job, Jake. There's Jake pulling Lucas out. And his little boogie board. Cousins playing together. What fun. Jake is 15 and Lucas is 6. They like to play together. Lucas loves to play with his cousins. dived into the pool. There's Scotty and Lucas. Oh, and there's Jake, who just popped up with his goggles on. And there's Aaron with his goggles on. And there's Dan. Everybody's having fun in the pool. Jason went upstairs to take a nap, and Kyle went upstairs to get a drink. He's coming back down. Hi, Lucas. How's the water? Good? Yeah.
I'm gonna jump down.
Okay, you're going to jump? Go ahead. There he goes. Woo! He's doing a pencil dive, he said. Scott's getting cooled off. There's one. Everybody's in the pool. Beautiful beach and pool day. How's the water, Aaron? Welcome to the Wildwood Boardwalk. Let's take a stroll and see what we can see.
Watch the tram car leave. Here we go. Here comes another one on the other side of the boardwalk. Family decided to walk. I decided to ride the tram car part of the way. Too far a walk for me. Watch the tram car. I wonder if I'm going to pass them by. We'll have to wait and see. Now that's how you make fudge on the boardwalk in New Jersey. Look at him stirring. Whoa, delicious. And I'm looking in there at all the different flavors. He sees me filming him, so he's doing a lot of fancy tricks now. And he's pretty easy on the eyes, too.
Come on up to our
This is
tray.
the Dragon's Lab.
Mix your favorite
They
flavors
make
with ice cream.
smoky treats. I'm going to show you now. That's what I found on the boardwalk. They're making what they call dragon trap. I'm not exactly sure yet what it is. Look at this. Whoa! Starts out with these little super balls, and I guess it's dry ice. And pretty cool. Very interesting. Puts them in a cone, and there are these smoking balls. Look at that. Whoa.
Number 117.
Wow.
Come on up and get the free sample of
Oh no, the Baking Diva died and went to heaven. Look at these funnel cakes with sprinkles and cinnamon, peanut butter, Nutella, Oreo, M&M, strawberry and walnut, apple, Bavarian cream.
It's the
Look
Ford
up
Summer
here,
Sales Event, and
cannoli.
now while selection is best, it's the best time to buy.
Oh my
With
God,
amazing
look at that.
offers across a full line of Ford
Fried
vehicles, now is the
pickles,
time to make